It could go either way. Hearts balanced on a razor blade. We are designed to love and break, and to rinse and repeat it all again.
Game on.
I get stuck when the world's too loud and things don't look up when you're going down. I know your arms are reaching out from somewhere beyond the clouds. You make me feel like my troubled heart is a million miles away. You make me feel like I'm drunk on stars and we're dancing out into space. Celestial, celestial. I see the light shining through the rain. 1,000 colors in a bright
There we go.
shade.
Tonight we're gonna draw BAXCALIBUR.
In the lowest place, there's silver lining that surrounds the gray. When I get lost, will it come back around?
This guy is the second Dragon and Ice type compared to Kyurem. He's already shown himself to be one of my favorite Pokemon in the Scarlet and Violet video game, so let's see if he can defend that title while we draw him.
We were made to be nothing more than this, finding magic in all the smallest things. The way we notice, that's what really matters. Let's make tonight go on and on and on. You make me feel we were made to be nothing more than this, finding magic in all the smallest things. You make me feel the way we notice, that's what really matters. Let's make tonight go on and on and on. You make me feel like my troubled heart is a million miles away. You make me feel like I'm drunk on stars and we're dancing out into space. Celestial.
There we go. Now we draw his toenails. This Pokemon blasts cryogenic air out from its mouth. This air can instantly freeze liquid hot lava. Guess we should probably bring out the Thumb Liquidator 4000. One hit from that thing. Keenan. Now let's draw the feet here. Let's draw the long crest on his back. I haven't heard that song in forever. Alexa, what is Tarbosaurus?
Tarbosaurus is a genus of tyrannosaurine theropod dinosaur that lived in Asia about 70 million years ago, during the Maastrichtian Age at the end of the late Cretaceous period, considered to contain a single known species, Tarbosaurus batar. Fossils have been recovered from the Nemegt Formation of Mongolia, with more fragmentary remains found
There he is,
further
everyone.
afield in the Sabashi Formation of China.
That is how you draw BAXCALIBUR. Alexa, what is Megalosaurus?
This might answer your question. Megalosaurus is an extinct genus of large carnivorous theropod dinosaurs of the Middle Jurassic period of southern England.
That takes care of that. I'm proud that I finally drew this guy. Anyway, that's how you draw BAXCALIBUR, and have a scarlet and violet night. Good night.